Hi everybody, I'm Quentin de la Judy from Solti software, and today I'm gonna show you how to install and use the option Alarm on Simple Inventory Manager. First, go to Tools and Configuration, then while pressing Ctrl, click on Edit Config to open the configuration file. Once it's open, in the category Divers, write Alarm equal 1 with an E at Alarm. Then you can close and save the document. Once it's done, restart your software to apply the changes. Elle me dit de quitter le bloc, quitter le cartel de Sina, Loa. Now that the option is installed, we are gonna see how to use it. First, open Edit Product to add the minimal quantity you need for each of your products. Here we're gonna put 10. Save, and you see, because I got only 8 in my stock, the alarm section is becoming red. Alerts mail would be automatically sent each day, but you can also check your low stocks and send alerts manually. Go to Tools and Alarms, and then click on the Alarm button to make a live simulation of your stocks. So you can see I got my laundry canister of 10 liters right here, and it says I got only 8. Now, once it's done, you can change the recipient of your email and the object, or you can just send it by clicking on Send Mail. Now you know how to add and use the option Alarm on Simple Inventory Manager. Please click on the thumbs up button if you find this video useful, and subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials on our products.